Hey everyone, this is Ryan DeGregorio, one of Wyoming Stargazing's program leaders. Thanks for joining me, and welcome to Mind Bending Astronomy. In every episode, we'll share with you a mind-bending fact about astronomy. Last time we talked about why there are no green stars in the universe. Today, we're going to look at something that happens when a star dies, a really massive star when it reaches the end of its life. These are called black holes. And black holes are probably one of the most interesting things about the universe. So much about them is unknown. We're going to take a look at what would happen if you fell into a black hole. So we're going to look at this in two ways. We're going to take a look at your perspective, what you would feel as you entered the black hole and crossed the event horizon, and what an outside observer would see when you fell into the black hole. Let's begin with you. There is a supermassive black hole that you are nearing, and you are getting closer to it because you don't have a stable orbit. You're not going fast enough to be able to escape its gravitational pull. As you get closer to the event horizon, you'll notice that there would be a tidal force acting on you. And what that means is the gravity from the black hole acting on your feet, if you fell in feet first, would be a lot stronger than the gravity acting on your head. And the result is you get stretched out. Your legs start falling quickly into the black hole while your head and torso remain on the outside. You would literally be stretched so thin that scientists come up with a term called spaghettification. You'd literally be turned into a strand of spaghetti about an atom thick, and you'd just fall into the black hole. If you were able to still see what was going on, you'd notice that the black hole would fill up more and more of your vision until half of the horizon or half of the sky would be completely black, and the other half would be, the space that's not occupied by the black hole. As you got closer and closer, your vision would become more and more black, and light from behind you would be still visible because it's getting bent by the gravity of the black hole, and eventually everything would turn black. And no matter where you looked, there would be no light to see. Here's what an outside observer would be seeing as you approach the black hole. Let's say they were far enough away so they wouldn't be influenced by its gravity, and they watched you get closer and closer. Interestingly, is you'd approach it more and more slowly until it looked like you came to a complete stop before the mouth of the black hole. And that's kind of strange. But over time, and it depends on how massive the black hole is, you would start to vanish. The light being reflected or given off by you would slowly become redshifted until you were invisible. And then that's it. The outside observer would never see you cross the event horizon. And there's a good reason for this. Since light can't escape from a black hole, that means no information can leave a black hole and reach another observer. It's impossible. So no information from beyond the event horizon can exit. That's it. They would never even see you fall through the black hole. I wouldn't recommend doing this, but that's really what would happen if you fell into a black hole. And join us next week for another episode of Mind Bending Astronomy.